Hi to everybody. My name is S. Nandini. I am going to deliver the presentation about applications of electrostatics. First, what is electrostatics? Electrostatic is the branches of physics which deals with static electric charges or charge at rest. Next, applications of electrostatics. There are many more applications of that: Van de Graaff generator, extrography, laser printers, inkjet printers, electrostatic air filter, and photocopier. I am going to take laser printers. There are the topics for the laser printers. I am teach that. First, introduction of laser printer. Printers are classified into impact and non-impact printers. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser printers uses electrostatic printing process. Laser printers are used to produce high quality images and graphics. It is a type of printer that utilizes a laser beam to produce an image and drum. It is used a non-impact photocopier technology. The history of laser printers. Laser printer invented by Gray Starkweather at 1969 when American Xerox Corporation held a dominant position in the copier maker in 1960. Commercially, IBM introduced the first laser printer in 1975 to use it with its mainframe computers. In 1984, revolutionized laser printing technology with its first LaserJet, a compact, fast and reliable printer that personal computer users could afford. Next, the basic components of laser printers. Drums. The drum inside the toner category is photosensitive. The laser beams is reflected onto the surface of the drums to create a pattern of charged representatively the image of the page to be printed. Laser. The laser beams paint the image of the printer page on the drum. Power supply. The process uses very high voltage to charge the drum and transfer and hold the toner of the paper. Paper transport. The paper path for laser printers ranges from simple straight paths to complicated turns of devices. The goal is the sum of all these devices to move the page from a supply bin to the engine where the image is laid on the paper and fixed to it. Primary cornering. The primary corona charges the photosensitive particles on the surface of the drums. Next, I am going to transfer chrome. The transfer corona charges the surface of the paper just before it reaches the toner area. Fusing roller. The fuse makes the printed pages hot. The toner is melted permanently to the page by applied pressure and heat. Controller. It communicates with the OS of printers and forms the image printer on the page. This is the motherboard of the laser printer and it has architecture and components like a PC motherboard. This is the inside picture of the laser printers. Laser printing process. The laser printing process have many processes there. I am going to first charging process. When data giving to the computer, then electronic circuit activates corona wire, which is contain positive charge, gives to the drums. When laser beam sticks with the drums, then erase the positive charge and create the negative charge. This is the diagram for charging. Exposing process. Corona wire falls positive charge on drums. When laser beam which is contain negative charges falls on drum and sticks with on positive charges. Then erase the positive charge and drawing letters and images which is to be printed on this drum. It is also known as electrostatic images. This picture is for exposing process. Next, developing process. Turner contains file black powder. Since it has a positive charge, the turner slipping to a negative discharge area of the drums, but not to be the positively charged background. Next, I am going to transferring process. A magnet inside the developing roller attracts the iron particles in the turner. This roller rotates near the drums and the turner is attracted to the area of the drums that have been exposed by the laser, creating the print image on the drums. Next process is fusing process. The fusing roller applies heat and pressure to the turner, which melts under pressure into the papers to create a permanent bond. The rollers are covered with cellophane and treated with a light silicone oil to keep the paper from sticking to them. This is the picture for fusing process. Next, cleaning process. Before a new page is printed, any remaining from the previous page are cleared away. This crumb is free with a rubber blade and a fluorescent lamp removes any electric charge remaining on the drums. This is the picture for cleaning process, development roller, all of that. This is the picture for image formatting system, laser image formatting system. This is the picture for laser image formatting process. Next, I am going to advantages and disadvantages. The laser printer advantages is the printing cost of laser printer is less than inkjet printers. It is a very fast printer. It has the ability to print the high resolution images that is 1200 dpi, consuming less time. It makes no noise during printing process. That maintenance time span is longer. Its efficiency is very high. Disadvantages of laser printers. It is very expensive. The maintenance cost is high. And it is very bulky and difficult to repair. It has health hazards, also emit ultraviolet radiation that can cause eyes damage. Next, applications for laser printers. For taking huge printout for holding and burner printing, for taking light fast printout, for printing books, newspaper, etc. in huge industries. This is for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video.